Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to download your Microsoft form for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365. It can be work, school, or business. Now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Wait for that to load. Now go to office.com. Wait for that to also load. Make sure you are signed into the account. Now go to all applications. Explore all your applications. Go to Microsoft Forms. You can start a new form or go to a created form, which is what we will do now. Computer Science Videos. We have a question that was answered in the previous tutorial with a response. So let's now go to the right top corner with three dots, more settings, go to print form. We can now save this as a PDF to the computer itself, and this will save on the desktop. Let's minimize Safari for the moment, and there we go. Computer Science Videos, preview, Microsoft Forms. Let's double click on this, should open up with preview, and there we go. So that's how you save your Microsoft form in PDF format on your Mac computer. Let's quit preview. Let's go back to the dock, go to Safari, quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.